Hi children, once again welcome back to our politics class. I hope all are fine and happy. In these days, we discuss and studying about secularism and Indian secularism. And secularism, what is secularism means? The state is not officially promoting any one religion as state religion. Then we studied about why the state is separated from the religion. What is the importance of separating religion from the state? And then we studied about Indian secularism and three objectives, that is about three dominations, and how these dominations preventing by the constitution, the domination of religion, any one religion, how it is preventing. That is through three strategies that also we studied. Strategy of distancing itself it's from religion. Then second one, strategy of non-interfering, strategy of interfering. These are the three strategies. The first of all, the state always keeping a distance from the religion, not much interfering with religious activities. The second one, strategy of non-interference. State is not interfering with the religious matters. Example we see about the Sikhs and about the Muslims and all these things we see. So the state is not interfering with the religious activities. Third one, strategy of interfering. Okay, so the strategy of intervention. Strategy of intervention, how it is happening. That is the state in sometimes when the rights of the individual is violating, when the freedom of individual is violating, that time the state or government can act or government can interfere with religious matters. The example we see about the caste system. Untouchability is practiced widely, but constitution prevented and Indian government strictly following that one. It is prevented. Untouchability prevented, abolished by the law. So even though this is a matter of religion, because this practice existed in Hindu society, it is a matter of religion, but the state is interfering because this is a rights against individual. It is violating the rights of individuals. So that is why the state, the government is interfering and constitution is abolished. Then the intervention of the state can be also be in the form of support. Okay, intervention of the state can be also be in the form of support also. How the constitution support this religion. The Indian constitution grants the rights to religious communities to set up their own schools and colleges. So that is why now we can in our society there are many Christian schools, Muslim schools, and Hindus, Nair, and other kinds of schools, SNDP schools, all these kinds of schools, and they are educational institutions. So that is constitution guarantees the rights. So that is also in the form of support. Why the constitution supporting them? Because they are the minorities, or the religious matter should be protected. So that is why the constitution guarantees this support and rights also, these rights. So that is through that support also constitution interfere with the religious activities. Okay, that is about Indian secularism. Then the next is very important. In what ways Indian secularism different from that of the other democratic countries? What is the difference between Indian secularism and other democratic countries? Okay, so Indian secularism means sometimes the state can be interfere with religious activities. strategy of intervention. Through strategy of intervention. In other democratic countries, we can take an example. In a textbook, it is given about USA, United States of America. In America, the secularism, that means the American secularism means it is strictly separated from the religion. The state is strictly separated from the religion. The state do not have any power to influence in the religion. Strictly separated. States do not have any power to interfere with religious activities. That is known as American secularism. There is one significant why in which the Indian secularism differ from dominant understanding of secularism in practice in the United States of America. This is because, unlike the strict separation between religion and the state, in American secularism, strict separation of religion and state. In Indian secularism, the state can intervene in religious affairs. The state can intervene the religious affairs. But in America, the state cannot intervene. The strictly separated religion and state. That is about the other democratic countries, how it is practicing. The example we see about the America. The Indian Constitution intervene in Hindu religious practices in order to abolish untouchability. The Indian secularism, though the state is not strictly separate from the religion, it does maintain a principal distance from the religion. This means that any interference in religion by state has to be based on the ideals laid out in the Constitution. According to the Constitution, what kinds of ideals included in the Constitution, formed by the Constitution, according to that, state can interfere with the religious matters in India. That is about the Indian secularism or American secularism. So I think you understood what are the importance of Indian secularism and American secularism. It is strictly separated from the religion and the state. So that is about today's class. This chapter is also over. Now you have to watch this video, complete this video, and you can do your works. Thank you to listening my class.